Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can open up CapCut templates from the TikTok app. So just search for the kind of template that you want to find. For instance, you want to search for friendship CapCut templates. So you're just going to search that up and you're going to try to find one that you want to use, like this one. And as you can see, there is a CapCut try this template button. You're going to select it and you're going to select use template in CapCut, like so. Then you're going to just press the use template button and just change the pictures of the template. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!